How to fix Instagram couldn't add to template problem. So if your Instagram says couldn't add to template problem, then the first thing you need to do is check your internet connection. Once you've done that, now what you need to do is simply open up your Instagram application. Once you open up your Instagram, you need to go with the profile, which is on the bottom right. Go with the upper right, which has that 3-bar icon. And here you need to scroll all the way down. Go with the help option. Tap on help. Once you tap on help, you need to go with report a problem, which is on the first, and then tap on report a problem, and it will start preparing a bug report. You can go with don't include, and here you need to briefly explain what happened and what's not working. So here you need to write that I'm having issues with not being able to add to the template. I need this to be fixed. Once you've written that, you just need to simply go with send, or you can also upload some screenshots of it. And once you've done that, your problem will be fixed. So that's how you can fix your Instagram couldn't add to template problem. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.